Hi guys, tonight we're going to do a little maintenance on this Heineger Saphire. A lot of groomers are starting to use them. A lot of the horse groomers already use them. It's very big in the horse community. And we're going to just do some cleanup on it. They usually come in there really, really, really dirty. Okay, so this might be new. This we cleaned up, everything we took out, and let's put it back together. While we put it back together, like I said, you'll be able to take it apart. This is the cog. I'm going to work on the head first, and maybe we'll just work the head tonight, and maybe we'll finish it off tomorrow. Okay, so this goes this way. Also, you have some small pieces. Be careful, don't lose them. You'll be on the floor looking for a long time. So the washer goes on top of the cog. Now there's a little snap spring. Be careful with the snap spring. If not, you're going to be on the floor looking for it for a long time. Okay, and if you get a lot of these clippers in to work on, have a bunch of these laying around. Okay, so I started that off, and I'm going to give it a little push in, and that should do it. So that's in well. Okay, if you want, you can put a little grease over here. You can put a little grease over here, which before I send it back, I'll grease everything up. Also, while you have it open, you have some contacts. That's a contact. Sometimes you need to pull this up, pull it out, or change it. Other than that, it's a pretty sturdy clipper, okay? So let's take the lever, okay? So we got the cog, we got the little washer, and we got the snap spring on top of that. Okay, everything goes together fairly easy. So take this. This stops the hair, obviously, from coming in. And we're going to match this up. So it'll hold here. We're going to match this up over here. And we're going to push it down. And this is going to rest right here. Okay, can we see that? And you can play with it and get it a little better, okay? Now you have another little rubber piece that they use, which they're really giving you a lot of protection from the hair coming in. There's a hole here, there's a hole here, there's a nipple here, and there's a nipple here. And you're going to take this, and you're going to put it right onto the nipple and push it in. At this point, that's it for the head parts. Simple. Maybe we'll do, we can put the motor in tonight, okay? Motor and the PC boards, they come in two pieces. You have your positive, you have your negative. It's marked positive, it's negative, positive, positive, negative to negative. This gear actually goes underneath here. Let's put it in this way. And it sits. Gotta watch these wires over here. And it should sit right in. That snapped in. You also have a snap. These And that's it. So now you have your head part, you have your lever, you have your cog is in, the snap spring is in, the washer's in, motor's in, PC board is in. It's really not much left to do on it. Let's finish it up. Stop here. So we're going to make sure that's pushed back. That goes like that. This goes like that. And there's a small screw that goes in there. These are torque screws. Remember. That's in. Okay. 1, 2. I'm not going all the way down with them. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Actually, 2, 4, 6. The rest, I'm going to tighten it up by hand. Remember what I said before, make sure all the connections are clean when I get them in. They're really, really grungy, especially on the battery and on the charger. Now you notice how much room I left. I didn't gorilla it in with the electric. So basically we have it all together. This screws into here. Okay. This screws into here. Actually, it doesn't screw in. We just put it in. Don't know if the battery's charged. I think it should be, and let's see if it works. And by the time I go back in, I'm going to grease everything up. This actually goes together like any Andis or Oster. Very expensive part. I think that could be over $20. But beautiful clipper. Again, I'm going to tighten everything. I'm not going to tighten it up because I'm going to take it apart again. But pretty easy maintenance on it. You saw the motor, how the motor went in. You saw how the cog went in. You saw how the lever was changed, and main thing, parts are available. I don't know what's going on. I'm having a hell of a time getting parts for my Oster and, for my Heineger Clippers. Again, people are going to these. I'm getting a couple of them a week. Good clipper, good company. Parts are available. See this little gap over here? Like I said, I give them a couple of turns and everything will fit in and we'll be fine. And it's a beautiful looking clipper. Okay, guys, have a great day.